When you search for the best tools to sculpt your legs at home, it all looks the same. Same flashy claims, same generic photos. But to really find what works, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Iambo Pilates Bar Kit. The Iambo Pilates Bar Kit with resistance bands caught my attention for its affordability and versatility, priced at just $24.99. If you want an effective way to tone your legs and glutes while working out at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit offers adjustable resistance bands, meaning you can customize your workout according to your fitness level. You get 2 sets of bands with 30 lb and 40 lb resistance, allowing you to push yourself without investing in bulky weights. The no-slip foam grip ensures comfort during your sessions, and its portability means you can take your workout anywhere. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it's clearly resonated with many home fitness enthusiasts. Now, some people complained about the bar being a little flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you use it correctly, it holds up well. If you're looking for something heavier or more intense, it might not be for you, but for most, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you need an easy-to-use tool that fits into your home workout routine. Skip this one if you prefer heavy weights or require more advanced equipment. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the Iambo's lightweight nature concerned you, the next product takes a different approach by providing a more intense workout experience. Product number 2, WIKDAY Resistance Bands. Next up is the WIKDAY Resistance Band set, priced at just $4.99. I was honestly surprised by how affordable this is, especially given its flexibility. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to work your legs and other muscle groups, this is definitely worth considering. They're made of high-quality natural rubber that can handle intense workouts, no snapping or breaking here. The versatility of these bands means they can be used for a variety of exercises, from leg lifts to stretching, making them perfect for anyone looking to enhance their home workouts. With a 4.4-star rating from over 3,800 reviews, they've clearly made a positive impact. Some users mentioned that the bands might slide during workouts. Here's the thing though, if you wear leggings or use a mat underneath, this shouldn't be an issue. For those looking for a low-cost, space-saving solution, these bands are fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option for strength training at home. Skip this one if you need something more specialized for heavy lifting. For the price, you really can't beat it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting to target specific areas more intensely. Product number 3, Reduce Sculpt Body Sculpting Machine. Check out the Reduce Sculpt 3-in-1 Body Sculpting Machine, priced at $129.99. This caught my eye because it combines multiple features into one device. If you're serious about reducing cellulite while toning your legs, this is worth a serious look. With this device, you can achieve lymphatic drainage and skin smoothing in just 5-10 minutes per session. It's designed for targeted use on various body parts, including legs and arms, offering personalized settings for your needs. The ability to use it with vitamin C oil enhances the soothing experience and promotes smoother skin. With a solid 4-star rating from 329 reviews, it's gaining traction among users wanting effective results. Now, some users have mentioned the need for batteries, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing, once you've got it set up, the convenience of at-home sessions far outweighs this minor inconvenience. If you're looking for something that offers more than just basic exercise, this might be the tool for you. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful tool for skin tightening and toning. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward workout device. It's a solid investment for serious results. Now, if the price of the Reduce Sculpt is a concern, the next option offers a more budget-friendly alternative with some unique features. Product number 4, Kutsoko Body Sculpting Machine. Next is the Kutsoko 3-in-1 Body Sculpting Machine, priced at $55.99. I genuinely didn't expect such a robust device at this price point. If you want something multifunctional for your leg and body care routine, this is a great choice. This device combines massage, skin toning, and cupping simulation, which means you're getting a pretty comprehensive treatment in a compact form. Just a few minutes of use can help promote relaxation and skin firmness, especially if combined with the included vitamin C oil. With a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear this is a favorite among users looking for effective self-care tools. Some users reported that the massager could feel a bit weak at times. Here's the thing though, for many, the gentler approach is actually more beneficial for everyday use. If you need something more intense, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile and easy-to-use device for body care. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty massager. It offers great value for the features it presents. Now, if you're looking for a more powerful massager option, the last product on our list takes it to the next level. Product number 5, Vibro Sculpt Pro. Finally, we have the Vibro Sculpt Pro Lymphatic Drainage Massager, also priced at $129.99. This one stood out to me because it combines several advanced features into a single device. If you're serious about body contouring and lymphatic drainage at home, this might just be what you need. It's designed for use on various body areas, including legs and arms, making it a versatile tool in your fitness arsenal. Many users appreciate that it fits easily into their daily routines, requiring just a few minutes for effective results. With a 4.1-star rating from 154 reviews, it's certainly making waves. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to hold for extended periods. Here's the thing, while it may take a bit of getting used to, the results you get from consistent use are well worth it. If you're committed to your body goals, this could be a key player. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful massager that can enhance your body care routine. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and less intensive. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about body sculpting. So we've covered a range of options from the versatile Iambo Pilates bar to the high-tech Vibro Sculpt Pro. Whether you're looking for something simple, affordable, or a bit more advanced, there's a tool here for you. Finding the right fit can make all the difference in sculpting your legs effectively at home.